So now let's see how we can go ahead and work around with texture position inside of SketchUp right here. So to do that, I'm going to go around and let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and make this shape right here. So here I'm going to go around and use the paint bucket tool, and I'm going to go around and choose a texture that I want to add in. Let's just go around over here with tiles. Let's say, for example, select out this tile and add in this tile right here. So this is what you have. So this tile has a certain size right here. So let's say what I want to do now is I want to go ahead and rotate out this tile. Let's say, for example, in that case, I can actually go ahead and right click on this face where I apply this texture. Then I can go to texture and then choose position right here. Once I do that, I get 4 pins right here, as you can see. So I can utilize this pin to go ahead and change around the location of the texture right here, just like this. As you can see, you can go ahead and click and drag this out as you want. Apart from that, you can also go around over here and resize this out. As you can see right here, you can go ahead and really bring down the detail or bring up the detail, as you can see right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can also go around and distort out the texture as well, just like this, so that the texture is smaller on this side, bigger on this side. Apart from that, you can also go around and distort it out from this side, as you can see right here. And this is the texture that you have. You can go ahead and rotate out the texture, place it wherever you want. Then if you were to go ahead and click outside, now you got this edited texture right here. So what you can also do now is, let's say, for example, go around over here onto this texture. I'm going to go ahead onto the paint bucket tool, and I'm going to hold Alt to use the eyedropper tool right here. Let me just go ahead and take a sample. Once I do that, then what happens is that similar orientation texture will be applied out right here on the other side as well. So this is what you have on this side, and you can see that similarly the texture gets applied out as per the size that I chose and everything over here on other sides as well. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with texture position inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.